Okay guys, I have a small tool haul here from Mac Tools. What I actually get is the whole bag. This one is it's on sale. Not as on sale, but it's on promotion. That if you get the chisel sets, actually it comes with the bag, the chisel sets. This one is 12-piece chisel sets from Mac Tools. This one's pretty good actually. It's pretty nice. It comes with the chisel sets. Comes with the impact driver set. This one is pretty nice. Looks sturdy. It's nice. This one. And then it comes with the small hammer. This one is I believe 2 pounds. Yeah, 2 pounds. That's pretty good. Comes with a chisel, hammer, and the screwdriver, impact screwdriver, and a bag for I think it was $200 Canadian. It's pretty cheap. It's pretty nice though. Well, it's not cheap, but it's pretty nice. Like the quality is good. That's pretty much it. All right, guys.